Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg in stainless steel. First, always start with eggs at room temperature. This helps them cook more evenly. Next, preheat your stainless steel pan over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can test the temperature by flicking a few drops of water into the pan. They should bead up and dance around. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, swirling to coat the surface. Now it's time to cook. Crack your egg into a separate bowl first, then gently pour it into the preheated, oiled pan. You should hear a gentle sizzle as the egg makes contact, indicating the perfect temperature. Maintain a consistent medium-low heat, ideally around 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the egg cook undisturbed until the whites are mostly set and the edges begin to turn a light golden color. Patience is key here for a perfect cook. The secret to preventing sticking is proper preheating and enough fat. Your egg will naturally release from the pan when the whites are fully set. Do not force it. For an over-easy egg, carefully slide a thin spatula underneath and flip it once the whites are firm. Cook for an additional 30 seconds to achieve a beautifully runny yolk. For a firmer yolk, simply cook a bit longer on the second side. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, promptly remove it from the pan to prevent overcooking from the residual heat. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper or your favorite herbs and enjoy. For easy cleanup, deglaze the warm pan with a small amount of water to loosen any minor stuck-on bits. For more stubborn residue, a paste of baking soda and water or a solution of vinegar and water works wonders to restore your pan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.